Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Captain here, back with another video. So the upcoming latest OnePlus smartphone, which is OnePlus Nord, are full spec surfaced, and it has 6.44-inch display with a UD fingerprint reader and 4115 mAh battery. We have seen the leaked images give us a very clear look at the OnePlus Nord that coming on July 21, and today is a full spec sheet surfaced, leaving little to the imagination. This information come from the reliable leak star OnePlus, who posted in images of a virtual Nord training presentation on a Twitter that include all of the specs of the OnePlus 2020 mid-ranger and imaginary of the phone, which is just placeholder. OnePlus already confirmed that the Nord will be powered by the Snapdragon 765G SoC, but now we knew it will come with 8 gigs and 12 gigs of RAM, and we have a two storage option, 128 gigs and 256 gigs. The smartphone will run Oxygen OS 10 out of the box, which will be likely based on the Android 10. As you can see on your screen, this is the OnePlus Nord leaked images, which leaks the OnePlus leaks. This Chinese phone's maker also confirmed that the Nord will support an AMOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, and the spec sheet now reveals that it will have a diagonal of 6.44-inch and a pixel density of 408 ppi. The screen will also have a fingerprint reader underneath for a biometric authentication. Previously, leaks claimed that the OnePlus Nord will come with a total of 6 cameras, 2 on the front and 4 at the back side. The spec of the front-facing shooter match previously leaked, but there a minor mismatch with the rear cameras. Previously leaks said that the quad camera setup on OnePlus Nord will be combination of 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel deep sensor unit, but the new leak revealed that the 5 megapixel unit will be deep sensor and 2 megapixel module will have a micro lens. The OnePlus Nord will pack a 4115 mAh battery with a 30-watt fast charging support. Weight is around 185 grams and have 3 colors option: blue marble, gray onyx and gray ash. For connectivity, it will have Bluetooth 5.1, NFC and Wi-Fi 2x2 MIMO on board. So guys, this is the latest specs of the upcoming latest OnePlus Nord smartphone. If you like this smartphone, let me know in the comment section, and also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.